This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth. First, understand that bone broth is a nourishing liquid created by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for an extended period. This process extracts valuable collagen, amino acids, and essential minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. It's surprisingly simple to prepare at home, offering a cost-effective way to boost your wellness. To begin, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, which can be beef, chicken, or a mix. Next, grab some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions to add depth of flavor. Finally, a crucial ingredient is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out the beneficial minerals from the bones during cooking. Now for the cooking, place your bones and vegetables in a large pot and cover them with water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for a long time, anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, to maximize nutrient extraction. Once done, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. Once your delicious bone broth has cooled, you can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in smaller portions, like ice cube trays or freezer-safe bags, where it will keep for several months. This makes it super convenient to grab a portion whenever you need it for cooking or sipping. And speaking of things that make life better, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.